Bev Croce. I'm a co-founder of the Framingham Repair Café. Alex Volson, the guy in the corner, is my partner in crime, and we're so busy with things to be fixed today that I put him on that side of the table for a while. We started Repair Café June of 2019, and we got all the way up to February 2020, which we squeaked in before COVID, and then we had to take a little hiatus, but we've been back at it for a little over a year now. We generally do it 3 times a year, February, June, and October. We have jewelry, sewing machines, all kinds of appliances, lamps, computers, electronics. Most of our volunteers are jacks of all trades, and they'll take a shot at anything. We had a guy working on bikes over there. We also offer snacks and coffee. That's about it. It's generally a lot of fun.